Good morning, traders. This is Stock Trader Advisory. We're reporting to you live Wednesday, 8:40 a.m., and we are going over the level 1 subscriber update for week 38. And so that is the week of September 20th, 2021. So this is the past week recap. A mixed week for our stocks in what was uneventful week for the market in general, with many prices remaining stuck in a narrow but choppy range. Despite good economic news, strong retail sales, consumer prices rising less than expected, manufacturing on the rise, and unemployment claims declining, some less confident investors worry that economic growth will stagnate and thus continue to exit their stocks now. Institutions, meanwhile, continue to hold or add to positions that are currently beaten down by this nervous selling right now. Our longer duration positions were generally gainers, and this is for up to last week, while our most recent buys just cannot get any traction quite yet. We will need to see a consensus sentiment develop among more investors before a sustained trend moves prices significantly in either direction. And given the jaw-dropping absurd actions, or lack thereof, by current administration in Washington on a daily basis, that more likely price trend may be a down one for a bit. September has surprisingly been a quiet month so far, as much as every month since February. So a couple of exciting things this week were actually analytics signaled two new positions. One is in the energy/renewable sector. This one looks like we're going to be buying and holding for a little bit. If you want more information about that, please send us an email at info@stocktraderadvisory.com. And we've got a sell short signal for construction materials sector. So it should be interesting to see how these two are going to net out. Right now we've got quite a few in the green right now, just kind of a highlight for two of our long positions that we've been holding for about 75 weeks. One in leisure products, which has returned us to 428%, and we've got another energy/renewable company that we've been holding for 75 weeks, which has returned 651%. So overall, we've had quite a fantastic last year and a half. So if you have any questions, please send us an email or comment below. Additionally, we send out a newsletter every Sunday night for you to digest and put in any sort of trades for the following morning. Once you put those trades in, you're more or less holding for the entire week and repeating the process the following Sunday. We're not day traders. We are more or less on a weekly by weekly basis analyzing and digesting information that's going on in the market, and based off of our analytics, making those pivots. Our mantra is to follow the smart money, and so far this has seen tremendous returns. So if you're interested in getting a free month, please head on over to stocktraderadvisory.com and subscribe, and you'll get your first free month. If you have any questions, send us a comment below. Looking forward to having you come on board. Talk to you soon.